Okay, next we just have some drama, kind of light drama, I guess, but it's a tweet from Aiden Bai, who's the creator of Million. That's what I know him for, which was like this React optimization. But now he has this product called Amy.dev or AMI.dev, and it's essentially like a website cloner, which I think he also did as well. I think it was called like Same previously. So I'm not really too tapped into his products, but they had this insane P0 bug, which is like the highest priority, but also a product that my friend is launching. And he says that basically their users were getting randomly logged out, and they had a bunch of users churn, which sucks. And it turns out it was NextJS prefetching the logout page, but then in kind of like a reverse Uno card, Guillermo and a bunch of people came in and basically said log out should never be a get. It exposes CSRF attacks. And I don't know like what you would kind of benefit from making people log out, but essentially like your get should not be triggering side effects. And I guess in general, get should not be triggering side effects. So just kind of interesting learning experience. I kind of made a mistake with my processing of this and like talking to my friend about it. So I have some reflection to do myself, but I thought it was kind of counterintuitive and interesting. And you know, for me, I'm just kind of doing the classic stuff where it's like you just load the logout page, which calls a mutation and then redirects. So I kind of like have the security, or I guess the CSRF protection by default, just through like the way I learned it. But it is kind of interesting, you know, if you try to get tricky with these things, that you can kind of run into some bad practices and I guess have your users churn, you know, so that's where it's dangerous to push things to prod, and also speaks to like not just letting AI push it to prod as well.